Alright guys, good evening. It's Monday evening, November 14th, 2016, and let's get right on with the update. First thing we're going to look at is status of our open positions, and incorporated in with those open positions are the new trades that are put on today and some of the new things I'm looking at adding to our existing trades. So let's get right to it. Alright, trade number one is the SP500 Strangle that I told you that I was going to place this morning. Actually, the trade kicked in just as while I was conducting the brief with you guys this morning. So here's the trade specifics. SP500 Strangle, we put it on today, 4 days to expiration. I sold the 2125 puts and the 2205 calls. 13 delta, 16 delta. Roughly 71% chance of probability of profit. 15% IV when we put the trade on. We collected 525. Total of 1575 for the trade. 27,000 in buying power, and this is right in line with our percentage of max profit to buying power for the weekly S&P 500. Got a total of 12 contracts on. These are the hedging points to the downside, to the upside. Again, first day in, we're already up 811 bucks, guys, just on the first day. So this thing's really working really good. You can see we're dead center. We had some theta decay. We're past the 50% mark in 9-10 hours, something about along those lines. Anyway, that's why we got to keep putting these trades on. Alright guys, next trade up. Alright, this is our Crude Strangle. So we put this on November 10th with 7 days to go. We currently have 2 days for expiration. I put this on last Thursday. We had the 41 short puts, the 50 short calls. I went in and hedged a little bit on the 46 side. Just to reduce some of the long deltas I had. So we've got 2 days to go to tomorrow and Wednesday. We're up 864 in the trade. Our linear P&L graph says anything above 814 we're good to go, but we're dead center, guys. Look where this thing is. It's just in great shape. So we're gonna roll with that. Stay with that right there and try to milk it out to expiration. Alright, next up on the plate is let me do this right here. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Sorry guys. Okay, we'll go back to our normal view here. Let's see. Oh, so I'm just playing around a little bit, seeing how this okay. There we go. Alright, I think you guys should be able to see that okay. Alright, so we put this trade on October 21st in Crude with 55 days to go. We currently have 31 days. We've been in it 24 days. We're down $2,059. I don't think I've had a profitable day yet in this thing, but that's okay. Our P&L graph says, whoa man, normally you'd be above 4,700 bucks right here. We're in the hole. That's okay. We're in good shape in this thing. That's where the price is relative to the Strangle. You can see here the short puts we've accumulated, short calls. Crude's rallying pretty strongly right now, so I'm going to take a look at it. I might go in there and just sell some more calls in this Strangle, either tonight or first thing in the morning. I may wait and let this thing cook off overnight, see what she does, and then maybe go back in and lay some puts out. Alright, so nothing else to talk about here. We're in good shape in this thing. Max profit of 10,800 bucks. Some point in time the theta is going to come out of this trade, and when it does, it's going to be raining Strangle profits. Alright, do not be alarmed. There are two P&L graphs posted up here. Disregard this one for right now. Okay, we put this trade on October 24th, broken wing butterfly. This is in the retirement account with 60 days to go. We currently have 39. We've been in the trade for 21 days. All right, we're up 475. We got this thing right where we want it. Disregard the linear P&L graph. Now what we need to do is, you guys have been putting these on for, excuse me guys, a couple of cycles now. So now we need to get really proficient at milking these babies. So what I want to do is when we start getting in the 30-day window, maybe start practicing in raising this side up to give us more profit room on this side of the chart without adding a lot of risk and without impacting the profit that we have right here too much. So what I've done is I have an order in the queue to buy an at the money butterfly, which is currently at like $21.65, $40 wide wings. Again, an at the money butterfly with $40 wide wings, and this is what it looks like. So we raise this up, we give us a little bit more space in there to operate on. So you can see where it is right there. So now we have this space right here to work with. So we're, you know, roughly 2205 down to 2070, somewhere thereabouts. So that looks really nice. I like that. You can see, you can blow this chart up and look at the deltas and the thetas, and that's beautiful. So everything is just right in line with this. So we're going to try to start milking these babies and giving us a little bit more juice in the retirement account here. We need to press them whenever we're doing good, and we're on a roll, guys. We've cranked out winning trade after winning trade, so just keep pressing them. You guys in the crude market, just keep hanging tough in there. So the crude market will keep getting better. It has a couple of bad cycles in it, and then it flushes itself out, and then we can go back in and crush it, you know, for 7 or 8 weeks in a row. So you'll get your money back, trust me. All right, let's see what's up next. This would be the Iron Condor in the retirement account. So we put this on October 27th with 43 days to go. We currently have 25. There's really nothing to do here. We're in beautiful shape. Not going to add to it. I'll put another Iron Condor on next expiration cycle. We're down 114 bucks, but we're in really good shape. I'd say we got this one where we want it. As long as we don't get a rally, a stiff rally from here. All right, let's take a look at the Doubleit Up portfolio. We haven't looked at this one in a while. I haven't shown it to you guys in a while. I look at it every day to see if I need to make an adjustment or any type of tweak, or just to see how it's going. So anyway, we put this trade on October 25th, crude. 51 days to go. We currently have 36. We're down 636. Our linear P&L graph says that we should be up 27.17. Not to worry, we're in good shape in this trade as well. Okay guys, so you see that the status of our open position trades, we're trucking right along. There's no adjustments we need to make to salvage a trade, so we're in good shape. The 2 weekly trades we put on are looking really nice. You know, we're sorry about that guys, I was checking out the crude market here right quick. Alright, so you know, we're going to start evolving on our broken wing butterflies to try to tweak those to the upside a little bit more. We're going to start learning how to raise that long edge without impacting our risk as much. That's the key to that. And how we're going to do that is with at the money butterflies and debit spreads. So we need to get back in the swing of using debit spreads. That's a good technique to use on those broken wing butterflies to lift that leg up. And that's what we want to do. Give the market time to run for us on the upside. So we'll use a couple of different tactics on the broken wing butterfly. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for tonight. I will send a note out Tuesday morning to let you know the status of class for Tuesday night. You guys have a nice evening and a good trading day tomorrow, and keep it between the lines for the crude traders out there. Hey, this is BA signing out.